matter where or who we are, we can always be great stars. Be brave, be kind, and share our voice. So be brave, be kind, just share our voice.
Welcome back to Storytime with Teacher Emil, and for this story, it's called The 5 Little Monkeys Sitting in a Tree by Eileen Christelo, and it's similar to that song, 5 Little Monkeys Jumping on the Bed, but in this book, they are sitting in a tree, and now we're going to find out what happens. Ready? Awesome. 5 little monkeys sitting in a tree by Eileen Christelo. Five little monkeys and their mama walked down to the river for a picnic supper. A picnic. Mama spreads out a blanket and settles down for a snooze. Oh dear. While 5 little monkeys climb a tree to watch Mr. Crocodile. There he is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little monkeys climbing up a tree. Five little monkeys sitting in a tree. Tease Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. And along comes Mr. Crocodile. What's going to happen? Snap! Oh dear! Oh no! Where is she? 4 little monkeys sitting in a tree. Tease Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile. And snap! Oh my! Oh no! Where is he? Now 3 little monkeys sitting in a tree. Tease Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Oh. Snap! Oh no! Where is he? Two little monkeys sitting in a tree. Tease Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. And along comes Mr. Crocodile. Jump, jump. Snap! Oh no! Where is she? Now, there's only 1 little monkey sitting in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile. And snap! Uh-oh. Oh no! There are no little monkeys sitting in the tree. But wait. Look. Ooh. What do we have here? Don't cry, Mummy. Don't cry. Look behind you. 5 little monkeys sitting in the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we see. Mommy, you can stop crying. Your monkeys are safe, sitting in the tree. Oh, there you are. Mama hugs them. She loves them all. But their mama scolds them. Never tease a crocodile. It's not nice. And it's dangerous. Learn, 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 and learn. Me too. You see Mr. Crocodile right there. Then 5 little monkeys and the mama eat a delicious picnic supper. Yum, yum. And they do not tease Mr. Crocodile again. 5 little monkeys sitting in a tree. The end. See you soon.